Juiced up. Unpacking the phrase. Hello, English learners. Today, we're going to dive into a fun and vibrant expression, juiced up. By the end of this video, you'll not only know what it means but also how to use it in everyday conversations. So, let's get started. Juiced up is an idiomatic expression. To understand it, let's break it down. Juice, the liquid extracted from fruits and vegetables. We drink it, it's tasty, and often refreshing. Up, in this context, up can imply an increase or enhancement. So, when something is juiced up, it might suggest that it's been given more juice or power. In everyday conversations, juiced up has several metaphorical meanings. 1. Energized or excited. Just as drinking juice can give you energy, when someone says they're juiced up, they might mean they're pumped up or excited about something. 2. Example. After the pep rally, the whole team was juiced up and ready for the big game. 3. Enhanced or improved. If a device or system is juiced up, it's been made better or more powerful. 4. Example. I juiced up my computer with some extra RAM, and now it's super fast. 5. Under the influence of steroids or stimulants. In sports or gym contexts, if someone is juiced up, it might mean they are using performance-enhancing drugs. 6. Example. He looks so muscular lately. Do you think he's juiced up? Here are more examples to help you understand how to use juiced up in various situations. 1. The new software update has my phone feeling all juiced up. 2. I had a double espresso this morning and I'm totally juiced up now. 3. They juiced up the car's engine, and now it's even faster. Alright, learners. Now you're all juiced up with knowledge about this phrase. Remember, English is full of colorful expressions, and the more you learn, the richer your conversations will be. Hope you found this video helpful, and we'll see you in the next one.